Tianjin is a metropolis in northern China and one of the five national central cities of the People's Republic of China. In terms of urban population, Tianjin is the fourth largest in China, after Shanghai, Beijing, and Guangzhou. In terms of administrative area population, Tianjin also ranks fifth in mainland China. Since the mid-19th century, Tianjin has been a major seaport and gateway of the nation's capital. China International Education Development Limited, with over 10 years experience and a team of Chinese and foreign professionals, welcomes you to the land of the Red Dragon. Our mission is to promote Chinese culture and contribute to the development of relations between China and foreign countries. We have established relations and set up office in USA, France, Canada, Singapore, New Zealand, Australia, Hong Kong, and Taiwan. Our company develops steadily year after year, achieving outstanding results in fields of education, training, and intercultural exchange, and becoming a very important platform for international exchange all over the world. China International Education Development assembles the most qualitative resources and the most experienced business consultants to help you to start your business in and with China, the world's fastest growing major economy and the world's most important outsourcing destination. Tell us your business plan. We will arrange a one-on-one online meeting with our experts as soon as we can. We specialize on Mandarin programs designed for non-native speakers from beginner to advanced level. Personalized teaching methods more suitable for each apprentice, with expertise Chinese native teachers offering the most effective teaching methods to make faster progress. We can offer students, professionals, and educators the most comprehensive, relevant, and valuable exchange programs. We plan education exchange and training programs both in China, where we have settled many training centers and welcome foreign participants. We specialize in organizing international events of all types, creating opportunities to bring people together, and promoting exchange of ideas and experiences. As a matter of fact, we have successfully held the 2013 First International Youth Photography Exhibition. We can teach you authentic Chinese cuisine, making you and your family look forward to your food daily. Chinese cuisine, with its many diversified colors and aromatic flavors, is famous all over the world. If your passion is cooking and you want to learn how to cook the most delicious dishes for Chinese tradition, our teaching videos are your right choice. Product sales of traditional Chinese culture. We provide foreign companies and professionals several types of services, including legal advice, arrange visas, license, work or residence permits or help you to obtain them, medical and insurance advice, translation, interpreter, assist foreign students to enroll in Chinese schools or universities, psychological consultancy services, assistance to foreign interests in finding a job in China, assistance to foreign companies and professionals in China, consulting for contacts with agencies and Chinese companies.